everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find what is the value of f, okay? And 1/3% of f is 12 hours. So I'm going to just indicate here very neatly, and that how does it translate, okay? Well, so we have, this one should look like it would have the 1/3% of, literally means multiply by f is equal to 12 hours. So is 12. Hours. Okay. So then how can we do this question? Once we have this, it becomes pretty straightforward. I'm going to divide by 1/3% on both sides. Okay, so f is equals to 12 divided by my 1/3 percentage. But how do we do that? Well, we just need to remember that for percentage to convert back to fraction or decimal, we need to divide by 100. Just put a bracket will do. Okay? And once I done that, I will then be able to solve for this. This will be equals to 3,600. So the value of f is 3,600. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.